Bolts, it's Officer Hep. We miss you guys. We love you guys. Be sure to stay safe, stay strong. We'll see you guys soon.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We sure do miss you guys, but you know what? We're going to get through this, all of us, and we're going to come out the other end, and we're going to be just fine about it all. And we will remember this as a very short chapter in our lives, but it had quite an influence on all of us. Stay strong, stay safe, and stay healthy. See you when we get back. Bye.
Over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
Hey Bolts, I love you, miss you, just wanted to encourage you. Keep working hard, keep that effort up, and hopefully we'll be together soon. Go Bolts.
Ooh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind.
Hola chicos, los extraño y los quiero. I love you and I miss you a lot. Go Bolts.
The chimney top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere.
Hey Bolts, Mr. Frost here, just saying that you are loved and we miss you, and if nobody told you that they loved you today, please know that you're loved as a part of our Bolts community. Go Bolts.
And the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind.
Hey there, Bolts Nation. I really miss you.
High above the chimney.
Hey Bolts, we are missing you a ton and can't wait to see you again. We hope that this ends sooner rather than later. It feels like it's been a really long time. I can't believe it's been a month since I've seen everyone. But we miss your faces in the hallways, and hopefully this will get back to normal soon. Some kind of normal, whatever that normal is. But be safe, be healthy, and know that we're thinking about you a lot. See you soon.
This morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds.
Hey Bolts, I really miss you guys, your faces, your smiles, your laughter, and I can't wait to see you all again. Stay safe, stay clean.
This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
I love you guys and I miss you so much. Be positive and safe at home.
About a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising.
Hi Bolts, stay focused and finish well. You can do it.
It's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message.
Hey yo, I want to take some time to tell you keep your head up because this coronavirus is a test. If you want to be the best, you gotta take the test. Remember, you are blessed among the rest. Therefore, don't be stressed. Listen, Leon, show me what you know and I'll teach you what you know.
Don't worry about a thing. I won't worry. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Miss Downey. I miss you, kiddos. I will see you soon. Stay safe, happy, and healthy.
Every little thing gonna be alright. I won't worry.
Morning Bolts Nation. We're out here on Lake Marion Trailhead, getting our quarantine walk and hike in, enjoying ourselves. You guys do the same. Get out, be safe, Go where no one else is. Enjoy yourselves. See you guys soon.
Hello there, Bolts. Miss you guys. Special shout out to my AP Macro and German classes. Make sure you keep up with your work, but also take the time to get outside every day. Love you guys. Go Bolts.
Hey Bolts, you are missed and you are loved. I can't wait till the day I see you again. Stay safe.
There's only 3 simple things you need. Good people, good food, and good conversation. Once a Bolt, always a Bolt.
What's up, Bolts? Mr. Sandridge here. I miss you so much, I even put on this tie. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.
No one could ever know me. No one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me.